evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is a very late one. I've had an extremely busy day today at the office, but I'm still putting out content because, I mean, the last 24 hours in crypto was horrible. Anyway, we're going to get into all of that, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. We're going to talk about Ripple and XRP, and of course the Brics nations now establishing an alternative to the US dollar, and that is making payments with blockchain technology. And we all know which cryptocurrency is far superior for cross-border payments, right? We all know what that is. Anyway, again, Ripple and XRP updates as well, which is bullish. Will it be solving this multi-trillion-dollar problem? Yes, it will be. Everyone needs to be patient. Bitcoin literally broke its all-time high last night, which was incredible. However, someone decided to crash the freaking market by selling a lot of Bitcoin mined in 2010. And thank you very much to that individual, because we all got liquidated, but this is what happens in this market when the price hits an all-time high. Bang! Someone has to freaking crash the market, don't they? Anyway, a lot of Bitcoin news we're going to be talking about, as well as the meme coins that were absolutely pumping yesterday, which is absolutely insane. A good friend of mine actually took out a lot of profit from Shiba Inu after 2 freaking years. And, safe to say he's celebrating now. And I think, Chris, if you're watching this, mate, good on you. You're an absolute legend. Anyway, let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking wild in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. All right, formalities are out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. Straight to community tab today. Now, again, this is pretty crazy, but according to the records, $715 million in assets have been liquidated in the last 24 hours. From the crypto market, and as many cryptos are in the green and surging, investors appear to be cashing in on the assets while they're ahead. People don't even understand that we are not in the full-blown bull market yet. I think this has got a lot to do with people exiting Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. We had someone who literally sold billions of dollars in Bitcoin, or I should say millions of dollars in Bitcoin last night, sent the price of Bitcoin plummeting ridiculously. And this is just what happens. And yes, liquidations happen. That's just a part of the game. Anyway, top altcoins in my portfolio this morning, we had BTT, we had Luna, Acro, Theta, and Telcoin going parabolic as well. And if you think this is the Bitcoin top, you are not ready for what's coming. Literally right here on the chart, things are about to get parabolic. I mean, this afternoon, Ethereum was absolutely pumping here in Australia, hitting like $5,000. I'm pretty sure it was today, which is just crazy when you think about that. But this is just the beginning. I honestly believe that this was just another one of those pre-Bitcoin halving flush outs, cleansing the market, so to speak. And the rally will commence very, very soon. But, again, these crashes are happening quite a lot. It just keeps going up, and then we just get those crashes. Most of these were due to Grayscale, and today was just in particular one individual who sold a lot of Bitcoin. I think it was Bitcoin rewards that I read, and that was a lot. So anyway, moving on, let's go to CoinMarketCap. We have $2.5 trillion US dollars again, which is crazy when you think about this. $256 billion in volume. That is a lot of volume, guys. Crazy levels, all right? 52% Bitcoin dominance, and of course on the Fear and Greed Index, we've got 86%. It has, dropped back towards the, less greedy side of things because a lot of people got humbled yesterday, including myself. But this is what happens in the game. Bitcoin sitting at $66,000 today, nearly just touching that $67,000 mark. Ethereum's at $3,800. You've got Solana at $131 XRP's at 61 cents. Incredibly bullish on that. Doge right here at 16 cents. Shiba Inu's down 10%. 10%. This thing was pumping like 100% yesterday. And yes, my friend actually cashed out probably just below that 100%. So good on you. And for those of you who actually took profits, well done. This is the main thing. You need to take profits in this game. Otherwise, the market will take your gains. There's just no question about that. People need to take profits. And again, we're still not in the full-fledged bull market yet. It's still not here. We're just on the very early stages of it. Bitcoin halving is next month. It's going to be wild. All right. Anyway, moving on. IMX, $3 right here. Banking coins, we've got Hedera at 12 cents. XLM, 13 cents. VeChain, still below 5 cents. Bane of my existence, this freaking coin. It's annoying. Quant is at 123. Scrolling down, XDC at 4 cents. This is an absolute gem in my opinion. Casper at 4 cents as well. Again, what else have we got here, guys? There's so many of them that are in my portfolio. Optimism, bullish on Optimism as well. That did get mentioned on CNBC the other night. Very, very nice. Anyway, this is all in the Patreon. Go join up to the Wall Street Bull University. You will not regret it. Quick look at crypto bubbles. And yes, before I do have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is my official Patreon page where I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots, news before I go live on the channel. All of the full setup guides to 3 commas. Absolutely everything goes up in here, as well as my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. And this is generational wealth, which will be going to my daughter. Very, very nice to see that. And there's 1,822 posts of useful information. Seriously, go check it out. You will not regret it. It's over 900 plus members now. It's absolutely awesome. There's a chat feature in here as well where you can speak to everybody in the community to get advice or speak to people in general, because I know it's very hard. And I personally started this for that reason as well, because I just wanted a serious community rather than having a Discord server where you've got 20,000 people just posting up absolute bullshit. So this is a serious community, very, very bullish. And you can also direct message me in here, but it takes me some time to get to everyone because there's so many people, but I do respond. All right. So go join up. The link is below. Quick look at 3 commas. Now, again, liquidations happened yesterday because of this person who sold a lot of Bitcoin. It does happen, but the bots are now trading and moving their way back into profit again, which is crazy. Anyway, I have 73 active trading bots. I'm trading the spot market. I'm trading the the perpetual market right here, or the futures market. I'm trading with leverage, of course. And again, with any kind of leverage trading, when massive market movements happen, you do get liquidated. Okay, there's no sugarcoating that. It does happen. It happened to me today, and I'm going to show you. It's freaking wild. But the spot trading, again, they're all in profit. They don't stop. You don't get liquidated because it's the spot market. You're just simply buying an asset and selling it when it goes higher. However, with the 3 commas bots, it allows you to do that completely automatic. You don't have to think about it. You just set and forget, so to speak, with the spot trading. Now, on the flip side to that, you do have the multi-bots here, which allow you to trade all the perpetual contracts or whatever you like. I've got them both set up in long and short positions on an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame, taking 1.5% profits. And these things have been working like I can't explain to you how crazy it's been. Also trading single pairs with leverage on 15x leverage. Now again, trading with leverage is risky. You can lose your money in a heartbeat. This is what happens. I see some influencers out there trading with like 45x, 50x. It's just crazy. I've done it before. I don't recommend it. You can do what you like. It's up to you. But 15x, between 5 and 15 is enough for me. It just depends on what the market's doing. But yeah, liquidations happened yesterday. But anyway, 3 commas, referral link is below in the description. You will get a discount on your monthly membership. And if you buy out the whole year, you'll get like 25% off that, which is crazy. So go look at that. Now, again, OKX, this is no BS trading right here. This is the liquidations that happened yesterday. I literally lost $2,800. However, on the week, I'm up $5,500 on the week, which is crazy. And on the month, 107% return. That is $10,846 on the month. wild. Okay, so yesterday, I mean, this is building up now. I did get liquidated like $3,600+ and it's slowly trading its way back into profit. I mean, this is the name of the game, right? But on the month, it's just madness. This is because, I've just basically been consistent with this and kept trading. Quick look at this. I've got 87 open orders at the moment in the books and 50 current positions. I'm not going to go through the profits, but they're all in profit at the moment. The shorts, the longs, it's all over the place. They are being consistent and slowly getting me back up to basically profit today, which is really, really nice. So everything is linked below. It's wild. Be prepared for anything. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. And if you're an emotional trader, don't trade with leverage. Just stick to the spot market, as Raoul Pal has said. Quick look at crypto bubbles on the hour. It's a sea of green. Really nice to see this on the day. The biggest gainers, of course, we have our Arweave right here, up 16% at the moment at $33. We have Lunk, 10% again. I'm still holding on to my Lunk. We'll see where that goes. They need to burn a significant amount of tokens after the collapse of UST stablecoin. We have Fetch AI up 9.7% again, $1.93. There's a lot going on with Sam Bankman-Fried and, of course, Sam Altman. Lawsuit going on there. It's crazy. But anyway, there's still incredible buying opportunities. Brics nations getting into the news right now unveil a blockchain payment system to rival the US dollar, which is nuts. And they reveal plans to basically facilitate payments outside the United States. This is bound to happen. And, it just blows my mind that the US regulatory individuals, I'm not going to name names, but one of them is Gary Gensler, I don't care about that, are being so difficult with blockchain technology and not realizing they can literally bypass the US dollar, right? Crazy. And they are actively working on towards consolidating emerging economies to counterbalance developed Western powers, political and financial dominance. Sorry, God, as you know, this always freaking happens. As part of an accelerated effort to foster deeper ties to enhance economic cooperation, Brics has unveiled plans to blockchain-based payment system to further reduce reliance to the US dollar, which again is crazy. But an interesting article came out on X, and we'll get to that in a second, where basically it's all XRP and the XRP ledger, which is inevitable because it's the #1 project for cross-border payments. Literally, there's nothing that comes close to it apart from maybe Solana with faster payments. But in terms of global liquidity, cross-border payments, XRP and Ripple are dominating the space. Can't change my mind about that. Yes, Bitcoin's price prediction is set to hit 70,000 US dollars. I mean, this was going parabolic yesterday. It's an absolute no-brainer. And again, Bitcoin's price climbing over 4% to hit 66,000 during the Asian session on Wednesday or today. The surge reflects growing investor confidence in the forecast of a bullish trend in the cryptocurrency market. It was a big flush out today. It was very, very annoying. But again, an ex-Goldman Sachs, executives right here, basically liquidation period as an investment window for Bitcoin. So those of you who took advantage of that and bought the dip, there you go. I think that's a pretty smart move in my opinion. Buying the dip when everyone's fearful. This is how big players make money in this game. They don't buy at the top. They buy at the lower end or when there's a dip in the market, which perfect opportunity for today. And again, Raoul Pal, former Goldman Sachs hedge fund manager, suggested that periods of significant liquidation offer favorable buying chances for Bitcoin. His comments came obviously when Bitcoin hit a new all-time high yesterday or last night, before tumbling down to $63,000. After the correction, CoinGlass data showed that the crypto market saw $1.17 billion in liquidation positions. Crazy. More specifically, around 296,000 traders, myself included, face liquidation, totaling $817 million for long positions and about $234 million for short positions. Days like today, when liquidations, that's a great day to put some money at work, he said, or Raoul Pal said, in a Real Vision episode right here. Crazy stuff. Now, again, moving on. I mean, gold and Bitcoin are pretty much, outpacing each other. Bitcoin's well and truly going to be overtaking the market cap of gold in the next, 12 months for sure. It has to. There's just way too much demand and not enough supply. And that is going to be halved. I keep saying this, it's going to be halved in April from 900 Bitcoin to about 450. So it's going to get harder and harder for these Bitcoin miners to make money. Pepe, Doge, all the meme coins were going parabolic yesterday. I hope you guys took profit on this stuff. But anyway, meme tokens are seen as a way to bet on the growth of a blockchain, as they are considered more retail friendly and easier to understand for new investors. Just pointing this out, I was once one of these new investors in the crypto space. I have well and truly educated myself on this space and have purely gone for utility coins. XRP, Hedera, Quant, IOTA, Algorand, XDC, Chainlink, Solana, Ethereum, as much as I can't freaking stand it. Coins that are building out the new payment rails for the future. Projects that are going to revolutionize cross-border payments. They're going to tokenize real estate, tokenize the derivatives market, tokenize gold. LCX is tokenizing diamonds. Come on. Focus on real-world utility. Meme coins are pump and dumps. I get so many messages from people around the world, my friends and younger guys and girls buying meme coins. Some of them have made significant money, but some of them have FOMO'd into this at the peak, for example, at 100% when it was up, and then they've lost money. Don't be one of these people, please. Just be careful with this stuff, all right? Think long-term, think real-world utility. All the big players have been saying this. Don't become one of these investors that just buys meme coins because they hear it from someone at work or a friend or family member. It's just ridiculous. Don't do it. You're going to get wrecked. And this is what happens in crypto. And then people end up saying, oh, I lost all this money, blah, blah, blah. Well, you bought it when it was 100% on the day. Again, I've been holding on to my Shiba Inu for years. So we'll see where that goes. Anyway, buy flow, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana. We have XRP, Cardano, WorldCoin, FET, and Sui. I'm very bullish on Sui. Again, one of Raoul Pal's bigger investments now he's turning a close eye onto, which is really interesting. Quick look at X tonight. Anthony Pompliano, bullish, man. Love your work. I was watching him on CNBC last night talking about this crazy stuff. Thank you to those 6,200 people that have followed me on X. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get through this video quick because I'm absolutely destroyed. And if I have another coffee right now, probably not going to sleep for the next day or two. So that's enough caffeine for me. Emily, thank you for this tweet. Breaking Brics to launch independent payment system again. Now, it makes even more sense why they realized or released a journal of economics about the de-dollarization and mentioned XRP multiple times right here. And this is the Brics Journal of Economics. XRP ledger right there, 2020. Come on, it's absolutely true. Now again, I'm not going to play that video because I'll get banned on YouTube. I'm not going to be doing that. There was $200 million in Bitcoin outflow from MicroStrategy wallet. Interesting. Here are all the BRICS nations right here. Again, we've got India right there. We've got Brazil, Russia, China. South Africa as well. Some of the most raw materials rich countries. A lot of gold and gems anyway that I use come from these nations and a lot of other places as well around the world. But come on, the United States and the US government and Gary Gensler, get it together because blockchain is coming and it's inevitable. Anyway, moving on. Bloomberg's Eric Balkan's right here. Balkan is, if that's how you pronounce his name, I have to ask him. I'm actually going to send him a message about this. But ETF set a new record with $10 billion in volume today, which is nuts. And moving on, Coinbase did actually give an admission to the outage that happened as well when it crashed. Quick listen to Pomp on CNBC. Have a listen to this.
Record high breaks, or if we eclipse the old all-time high, 3 of the 4 times Bitcoin doubled in 18 days or less. And so if you think about that for a second, once you break through an all-time high, it's price discovery. What is this thing worth? The world is going to try to figure that out. And 3 of the last 4 times in 18 days or less, it doubled in price. You add in the fact that we have the halving coming, and we're going to go from 900 Bitcoin a day coming into the supply to 450. And it's very hard to make an argument that Bitcoin is not going much higher and at a faster pace than we all expected.
He's got an absolute valid point. It is bound to go higher, no doubt in my mind. Interestingly, though, the XRP ETP or exchange traded product is shown on a Frankfurt stock exchange, I believe this is. Börse Frankfurt. There you go. Very, very interesting. So again, the exchange traded products and exchange traded funds will happen for all cryptocurrencies. I'd probably assume maybe the top 10, very, very soon. So steer clear. Steer clear. Don't steer clear of that. Stay tuned to that. Sorry, it's been a long day. And yes, some dude who held Bitcoin for 14 years decided to sell today, destroying the market. 2010 were basically these Bitcoin rewards from mining, I assume that is. Anyway, crazy stuff to see that as well. And yes, the liquidations, yes, so I don't even want to talk about it. But anyway, bulls, I'm focused on utility. That is king for me. Don't go buying into the meme coin hype because you will get wrecked. It happens. You got to think long term and utility. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm going to bed. Make sure you have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso for me. All right, bulls, take care of yourselves. And by the way, if you are deciding to come to XRP Wave of Innovation on the 23rd of March, I will be there for the day. Make sure you grab your tickets from Wave of Innovation, guys. It's going to be an incredible day for the XRP Army on the Gold Coast. It's going to be remarkable. There's a lot of incredible speakers coming from all over the world. Crypto Eerie, we've got John E. Deaton as well. Many other incredible crypto influencers and people that are just bullish on crypto in general. So make sure you grab your tickets to that. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Peace out.